baby, show me.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Shopaholics AM. So yesterday on 23rd July, Huawei actually launched its Honor Band 5. So it's gonna compete with the Mi Band 5, but first let's talk about the specifications and price and all the variants it will come in, and soon I'll unbox it, so stay tuned for that video. So first let's talk about the screen first. Honor Band 5 will still have that 0.95 inches AMOLED display, and that display is great. But this time it will have that 2.5D glass. So I believe the display will be quite curved this time, as you can see, Honor Band 5 will be getting some incredible watch faces. So that's what it is about the display. And Honor Band 5 will be 5 ATM water resistant, so no issues with taking it into the swimming pool. And it will have 10 sports modes. Last time the Honor Band 4 actually had 6 sports modes, but this time Honor Band 5 will be having 10 of them. And as you can see, it will have many more other features. You can actually this time control your camera through your Honor Band, find my device, notifications, accept or receive calls, accidentally reminder, all of them will be there. And true sleep monitoring, so you can actually check your sleeping time, it will analyze your sleep. And this is something really incredible which I've never seen in a budget fitness band yet. The Honor Band 5 will actually, it has something called the blood oxygen level monitor, which will measure your blood SpO2 level. So this is incredible, really great. And let's talk about the variants. So the Honor Band 5 will come in two variants, the standard version, and the second one will be the NFC version. I believe the NFC will be just used in China, so it won't be compatible with India. So guys, now let's talk about the price. The standard version of Honor Band 5 will be for 189 yuan in China, so I believe it's 1900 rupees in India. And the NFC version will be 219 yuan, so in rupees it is 2200. So that's what the price will be, but I believe the price in India will be around 2500 for the standard one, and more than 3000 for the NFC version if it gets released in India. And when we talk about the release date, so last year Honor Band 4 was launched in December and Honor Band 3 was launched in August, but what I believe is Honor Band 5 will get released in August next month. So that's what it is about the release date, and this is the Honor Band 5 this year. So that's it for today guys. Like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, that is Shopaholics AM. I'll be back with comparisons and unboxing of Honor Band 5, so stay tuned. See you soon. Peace.